Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to TechWares. Today is November 24th, 2024, and I just want to touch on a few things. Ever since the Intel Arc B580 or the B-Series graphics cards, upcoming B-Series graphics cards from Intel leaked, everyone keeps asking, well, not everyone, but a lot of people I've seen on the internet keep making comments asking if this is the top-end B-Series graphics card, if the B580 is the top end. And I have to tell you that it's not. There will be a more powerful graphics card. I believe it will be more powerful than the A770 16 gig, which is the top end GPU for the A-Series or the Alchemist graphics cards. As you can see, this is from shipping manifests. All right, as you can see, this is the BMG-G31 chip. And as you can see, it is in shipment. And the date was just last month, the 29th. So the end of last month, they started shipping out. All right, and end of October, we began to see this shipment move in logistics, right? So the BMG G31 top end GPU is going to be coming. They are working on it. Intel just plans to release the B580 I think next month in December, because they want to be first to release a next gen product before AMD and Nvidia, which will be launching their next gen GPUs early next year. I think. I know for Nvidia it's going to be early next year. However, for AMD, we're not really sure. Of course, there's also rumors that, it's pretty much kind of been confirmed from AMD that their next gen GPUs for Radeon RX will not be competing in the high end. They will be competing in sort of the mid-range. So we will wait and see when all that is going to release. However, for Intel specifically, they want to be the first on the market, and it's going to be pretty much the first consumer grade gaming graphics card. You could say that it's going to feature PCIe 5.0. So Intel was pretty much the first on the market to release an AV1 encode decode GPU, and now they're going to be the first on the market with a PCIe 5.0 GPU. And as you can see right here, the flagship or the top end Intel Arc B-Series GPU is going to be bigger than the previous DG2 512. So we have to wait and see what's going to happen. However, Intel will release a GPU that is more powerful than the A770 than their previous gen Alchemist A770 GPU. Now, all of this is great. We just have to now wait for official release from Intel, and I can't wait to learn more about Intel XeSS2. I can't wait to learn more about their advancements they've made in ray tracing improvements. And I like how this box says, let me just open it up right here and just kind of zoom in. Let me see if you guys can see that. Yeah, see how it says over here, play, create, generate. Generate is for, obviously, generating AI, whether it's artwork or anything AI related. So these cards will be very good for AI, especially because they do come with 12 gigs, right? The B580. So I think, honestly, I believe Battlemage is going to be successful. I hope it is. So thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Take care. Peace.